peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have another unboxing for you from Witch Casket. So this is their, what month are we in? July. This is their July box, and so this is my second casket. So let's have a look and see. I've been really good about not looking at anybody else's unboxings because I didn't want to be spoiled in any way. So same box as last time, super cute with the little details on, and infinitely reusable, which is always good. The plastic wrapping as well is also biodegradable, so that was something that I learned last time and found was a really nice addition and followed on with their ethos. So let's get inside. So this is the July 2022 potions casket. So just like last time, I'm not going to look at the little book first. I'm going to just enjoy the products and then go and read through the leaflet. So much like last time, we're starting off with an art card. I'll bring you down just a smidge. There we go. So this is really nice little postcard sized piece of artwork. Got showing little shelves. We've got flowers, books, potions. We've got a censer there, crystals. Yeah, lovely, cute. Love little bits of artwork. Always nice to decorate your space. We have got the Witch Casket Magical Book of Potions. So this is our sort of recipe book showing how to make things, what they're used for. There are, let me just give you a quick idea of how many pages you're getting in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 12 double-sided, so 24 pages thereabouts. So it says an overview of the magical art of potion making with recipes for anointing potions, bath potions, witches' brews, floor washes and hand washes, lovingly written by Witches Casket's Deb Robinson. So yeah, this looks like it will be a really useful resource. You could copy these out into a book of shadows. You could keep it as is and have a little collection of all the Witch Casket books, because I know that other caskets have come with books before. Additionally, this is probably something that I will look at maybe doing some recipes on the channel, much like we did with the lithomancy a week or so ago. So next in the box, this is our Empowerment Potions Kit. Let's see if last time I was just about able to peel this off without damaging it. Oh, not so good this time. Right. So contains everything you need to brew a magical empowering potion. So let's have a little look, see what we get. Yeah, that looks like everything in there. So we've got all the bags are numbered. So we've got number 1, number 2, and number 3. So what have we got? Does it say? Interesting. Right, let's have a look. So we get marshmallow root, yarrow, and mugwort, and then you'll also need your own pan of water. The potion, once created, can be used as a room spray, can be used for anointing candles or for ritual baths. Can also be drunk as a tea, as long as you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. So yeah, how lovely. And the little instruction card is also a nice piece of art as well. So really nice there. Let's pop those away so that I don't get them muddled up with anything else. We've got another scroll. Last time this was a page that could be included in a book of shadows. Let's just have a look. So yeah, potion making information on a really nice like aged parchment, and just some information about different ways that you can use potions to make it a little bit more accessible for people. I think when people think about potions, they imagine gathering herbs at midnight, and it's not really about that. Not by modern standards. Okay, lovely pin badge. We do love our pin badges. So this enamel pin is a lovely potion bottle. Reminds me a lot of any of you that were around in the 90s may have seen the film Death Becomes Her, and there was a potion in that that gave you long life, and it was in a very similar style bottle. I like that a lot. That will go with my other pins. Oh, what is this? This is it a stirry stick? It looks like it might be a special stirry stick for potions. Yeah, so it says potions on the end, and then it's got a ball shape for mixing. That's really nice, and nice to have something that's dedicated, because as much as you can use a spoon from the kitchen for such things, if you're going to be putting it into certain oils or herb mixtures, you might not then want to put it back with your regular cutlery. So it's always nice to have something special. And again, I think we talked a bit before about the idea of having, not needing special equipment, but having special equipment makes you feel, it puts you into that mindset of, okay, I'm doing magical working now. In the same way as you might have one specific perfume that you wear whenever you're going out on a date. And that just gives you that little boost that you need. Always wearing the same perfume when you're going to perform a ritual can give you that same feeling. So, right, what is this one? This is an essential oil blend, Witch Casket protection potion. Let's have a look. Can I get it out of the bottom? There we go. Protection potion. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Do not use internally. Dilute before using on skin. Avoid eyes. So this is basil, bergamot, and geranium, 100% essential oil mix. So let's have a sniff. Oh, that is nice. It's really fresh. Yeah, it's like herbal, but fresh, almost zesty. I think that's the bergamot. Bergamot's got a very sort of lemony smell to it. Yeah, I like that a lot. Let's pop you away back in your box. If you've got essential oils that you use already, it's always best to keep them away from sunlight. So if they come in a box, it's always worth keeping them in that box, unless you've got a dedicated storage box for them or something. This is, let's have a look. Witch Casket exclusive potion funnel. An easy way to ensure that none of your magical liquid is spilled. Decant your potions, brews and elixirs into bottles easily with our exclusive potion funnel. That's so cute. It's really lovely. It's made of metal, and stylistically matches a lot of their other products, so that's very nice indeed. I do have a little silicone funnel, but having something like this is much nicer. A bit classier. Oh, we have got here, these are crystal chips. I feel like there's a lot in here this month, which is lovely. One of the things with all sort of subscription boxes, one of the things that people will wonder is whether they will always be worth the money. Certainly this looks like a really nice collection of things again. So this is Grey Aventurine chips, a positive uplifting stone which helps to promote inner peace, harmony and compassion. Add these to spell jars, charms, etc. So let's have a look. So again, we've got, there are different sort of sizes, so you'll be able to find something to add to whatever you need. Always good to have a little supply of teeny tiny crystals that can be used, so you don't have to start grinding up your larger ones. Right, oh gosh, right, there are 3 more things in here. Let's go with this one. What is this? This is some sort of tablecloth, a mat of some sort. Very nice. It's very sturdily made. It's like a cotton drill fabric. It is a double layer of fabric. Just with the silver grey detailing around the edges and the Witch Casket logo. Very nice. So last 2 things and then we'll go through the book. Oh goodness. Let's hope that you made it in one piece. Oh, somebody knows the way to my heart, and it is through green glass. This is absolutely gorgeous. Really lovely. So we've got the pentagram cast into the glass, and then it's got a cork as well. Really, really beautiful. And it also comes in this lovely velveteen bag, which it won't be kept in there because I want it on display, but that's so lovely. My obsession with coloured glass goes back a long way, but particularly green glass and the Bristol blue glass. Oh, I don't know, they speak to me. So lastly, we've got another velveteen bag. This time it's got a little cauldron image on it. Doubt very much we'll find a cauldron in here. What have we got? We've got this time, is that black glass or is it? It's like a dark brown kind of, yeah, grey brown more than a black, but I guess it's as close to black as you could probably get for this sort of thing. And it's got lovely scroll work on it. You can see, you can put a nice label there. Really lovely. So we've got our 2 potion bottles, potion instructions, ingredients. Really nice. Just, yeah, no, nothing left in there but our little packing pieces. Let's just go back now to our booklet and we'll have a little look, see if we've missed anything. So the July Witch Casket, all about potions. We love brewing potions, and we hope that this casket and its contents will encourage you to embrace the ancient traditions. So we've got the funnel, which we had, yep. The stirring stick, which is specially designed, just what you need to blend your potions and stir your intentions right into them. Remember to stir clockwise to attract and counterclockwise to banish. The preparation mat, preparing spells and rituals, protect your altar with our enchanting preparation mat. The black glass bottle, thoughtfully designed, magnificent black glass potion bottle created to give you unique and beautiful ways to store your magical liquids. Green glass potion bottle, which is another exclusive. What's better than one beautiful potion bottle? Two beautiful potion bottles. Emerald green glass, finished with a pentacle design. We've got our book, the essential oil, potion kit, powerful potions enamel pin, the adventuring chips, parchment scroll, and the shelves of magic art print. So there we go. I will, as before, put all of the details if you want to subscribe to Witch Casket and get your own. Certainly, this is my second box from them. I'm perfectly happy and have no issues with value for money at this stage. I've not had, in 2 boxes, there's been no duplicate products. There's nothing that I've looked at and sort of thought, oh, I could go to the pound shop and buy that cheaper. And it's just so lovely to have something like this delivered to you once a month. And if you follow the Witch Casket family on their socials, you can see just how much thought and preparation they put into putting the caskets together. As I've said before, not affiliated, not sponsored, buying these with my own money, but wanted to share them with my crafty coveners as something that you might like and might spark some inspiration in you to get a little bit more witchy with your everyday life. So if you would like to see me using some of these items, if you want to know a bit more, do leave a comment down below and I will of course answer any questions that I can, and hopefully be able to make a video demonstrating anything that you need a little bit of guidance with. So I'm going to leave this here. I will pop prices, details, all of the rest at the end of my video, and they're always down in the description as well. In the meantime, if you enjoy my content, please do consider subscribing, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!